Tawaka Academy, School of Thinking Learners. Eje Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Kegima mwanchu muligeria wegetaseni gensoko no basemere kwane kwabere ko gutwara obuligeria borobia kegima nebiro binde nende to gukwarigania asemesa ya mangana maya elinde to komanye nara yagende tagokorekana kurwa chingongo chonsi inyechense ekero mwanchu muligeria metenga litukeliga chitaliki 19 chumutinyo iga oikomi mwaka w'ikiri 2025 nelitko liratikale kunyurwa kegima ase aba historia ya Kenya mega yokomoenia nyagosira Raila Odinga litko linene kegima asukunyora umunyangongo monene yobere kagutumikwa ase okurwanirira oboene bwa mwanyabantu mwancho muligereria akaiborwa ase nsemeri ya Kisumu akaba kagukora obokoreri bwaye ase Chintunde akaba gakuiborwa umwaka bwiliweyemo chimikianda 45 mwancho muligereria oitogo kwanera talionde nere Raila Odinga unabana bande niganyorerete chisemi uno mwana bumwana siasa Jaramogi Oginga Odinga akabwatia chimbaratero cheise asogosoa asensemo ya siasa asu mwaka bwiliweyemo chimikianda 45 mwaka w'ikiri 2005 mwaka w'ikiri 2013 mwaka w'ikiri 2015 mwaka w'ikiri 2022 eche chiare Chintunda isano akarwanirira kirgo cy'uborayi bwense korinde tanyora obobui akaba prime minister kurwaso mwaka w'ikiri 2053 oika umwaka w'ikiri 2013 agachakia ekiama gya ODM ase chinga kichinyinge abere gakwamereria eserikali akarwa asoboiko bwense chitaliki 15 cy'umutenyo 10 umwaka w'ikiri 2025 uyu no murai oratigale kwinyurwa ase historia yo mu Kenya unamanyikanite nabange Agwambo Tinga Nyundo Jacom Baba asama ya enseyemo nigo tokumulikira esabali yaye kuruko iborwa kwaye ali akorekane ase omuyega bokomoye osebokomoa esko yaye yomoelyo letaria nenkerubo Frida na balitoko bwatera na soko nekebuna chibicha neliogi yagwikira sole ase nchira ya bene na Brian Achaka bakobwatana Felistas Kabendi na baigo director Zak Toskato nyigara kwira nanda sege keke kerebosyo elinde ngomenya mange ase nchira yoboikirano Kegima mwancho muligereria ngokwarigania bene elinde tosanga sobwamo ochaka bono iga oika omoelyo korende omwancho muligereria no manyete Raila Odinga mulikeito Eric Ongaga niga irali bagalia elia bene na gotwariganiria orobotirwa bene kuruko iburo kwae asensemo yechisemi obokoreri bwaye chinga kyarenga oboiko bwense oika bosiria obugima bwaye na lyonsi abeire kagoikerania chinga kyarenga soboiko bwense
ati wanakano ni wajinga na erevu hawana wanakano ni wajinga na erevu hawana ukiona ukelewa usidhani ni tajiri Hiyo ni mali ya umma, wameiba toka kwenu jame. Wape hiyo pombe yao, wakileo wakitapika ni shauri yao.
Umuske Raila Molodinga nige burito chitariki samna ibere chumutinyo mutangani mwaka bwelbwemo chimikenda na 45 ensema ya Maseno, Kisumu District, Nyanza Province. Nigalengo mwanu kabere boya beto mokonyi bumurai bwenso mutangani Jaramogi Odinga amo numong na Mary Ajuma Odinga. Ubugima nugukina kwae. Raila niga chageta masoma ya sikuru y'oboroso ya the Kisumu Union Primary, bosio bokogenda Maranda Primary, na boigo Maranda High School. Abu asasomete wiku mwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 52. Maiga yokura masomo ya secondary niga chiete college ya Hada iyo toka sense Ujerumani asemyake bere kosomera umuntu bw'Igermani bosio bogosa University ya Leipzig ensemo ya East German. Umwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 55 Raila niganyorete scholarship yogosoma se college y'Oburundi ya Magdeburg ase abikiritwe gutwa umwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 52. Muske Raila nigiranete nsi ya Kenya umwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 52. Aso mwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 52 nayomo niga chagete company yekurukwa Standard Processing Equipment Construction and Direction Limited asama tukaya emanyikantibuna East Africa Spectre ekorosia emetungie gas. Ekeregeto mwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 52 Umuske Raila niga chole tukoba manager sekyombe gyakora ngubu ya bwebinto the Kenya Bureau of Standards. Libaga abeta seka kimyakene busio bugo kindiwa na kobo mokonyi bwemo director umwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 55 ni tatu. Emerima kurete wiku mwaka bogo chiriro kwaye bwelibwemo chimikenda 53 oburingo bwaye asisiasa umwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 53 Raila nigabigitu byara seri mocho ligo kagiro kubwatira n'abantu bande gonchole serikali iyo kabiro mare bwense bwekerekyo Daniel Arap Moi na kubikwa segesibo atagambiri kikamanya kantibuna detention without trial ase kakimyaka 5 nomo bosio bukubwatu kwa umwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 53 kolende naende akabikubyara umwaka yuyu wiku mwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 59 haso mwaka bwelibwemo chimikenda 92 nigo arwandirite kirgo ky'obubunge ensemo ya Langata na kubwa ekerwa karansirite wiku mwaka bw'ikiri 2013 gati umwaka bw'ikiri 2013 wikakiri 2013 Umuske Raila niga beto mwaziri omunene ase serikali ya Mwai Kibaki eyo yarosetwe mayaga y'obututukanwa machibu y'obuchori obunene bwo mwaka n'ekiri 2015 aseganga yokoleta mu ncholi ya siasa n'uburayi mense ya Kenya nigarwanirete kergo cy'uburayi bwense ase chintunda isano kolende etanyole cy'obubuyi.
No one could have thought that out of the bitter harvest of the disputed elections and the violence that pitted our people against each other just 2 years ago, we would be witnessing today the birth of a national unity that has eluded us for more than 40 years.
Boigo na Rwanda tuburayi bw'ikyombe cyabo mu bukinsi cya Africa EU kolende tabwa. Umuske Raila boigo na beto mu commissioner munene bwa mangana ya infrastructure development ase kyombe cyabo mu bukinsi cya Africa EU ati mwaka bw'ikiri 2013 wiku mwaka bw'ikiri 2023 aba Kenya nigo baramunyira Umuske Raila asomoria obukurwanira demokrasia y'ebyame binge ekatibenya okomuchye serikali ogoterna kwayo gokomu na boige nkoro yukwathira egatia mange uguko kumusikira Raila Odinga nigo gwatigirwo mugo munene ase siasa yense ya Kenya na boigo orogongo rwa Afrika ase obwagare umurayo bw'kiama kya ODM nigakurika bote myaka 53 na kumutiga magega umutakano wa Raila Odinga na bana batatu Elitaliane Nerik Onkaga.
Mwanangu jali haina kinga, asaini hapo ni Mola Mwenyezi, ilinguruma likoni ikatiririka, walipasinja wote walifilia baharini, tuliona hayo kwaherini, tuliona hivyo kwaherini. No one can stop reggae. Round the Bay of Mexico, where the sun shone daily on the mountain top, I took a trip on a sailing ship. When I reached Jamaica, I made a stop, but I am sad to say I'm on my way. I won't be back for many a days. My head is down, my head is turning around. I had to let a little girl in Kingston Town.
Okay, Joey! 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 Joey!
Miamono sana mulikito Eric Ongaga sogotwariganiria oroboti urwa senchera yoboikirano. Oskabosio chitariki 19 omutinyo 10 omwaka oyega bwekiri bubere 2025 nelitko liratikale ase bitabu byekenyolyo asomo waziri omonene omukoro musikira Raila Odinga airweskenene ya serikali asomo yega bokomoenya oyokolekana ime University ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga asensemeli ya Bondo County ya Siaya na kwenigwa asensemo ya Kango ka Jaramogi abasomora ibwense Dr. William Ruto abagakora umuyigoyiga abanyanyimbo bobulendi nigo baruta chimbunde 12 kumhorokia amaskani yomoelyo nyagosira Raila Odinga Muliketo Pethuel Machini na Mange.
Chitariki 19 omutinyo 10 umwaka w'ikirubire na 2025 nigorira tigaritskori nene ase bitabu byense ya Kenya nensenkima sinsi ya Kenya ya moiresko yekerengo kigoro oyomo wa abarwandiria bechinguru ke siasa Raila Amolo Odinga eteromoyega wesikanene korokia maskani ya manene oyokorekana ime ya University ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga ya Bondo County ya Siaya. Ayankorengana nengwana yomraibwense Moske Dr. William Ruto litkuria Jumatano stariki 15 mutinyo 10 omwaka oyo asa Ruto gochika na omura yomukuru musikira Raila Amolo Odinga kwewa eskenene asokweni wakwae egento abare bairoko bokomra bwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto ase egetambukere kiga.
Let me put it on record that many years ago in Bondo, in Nyamira, when we had requested the government of the day to give Jaramogi Oginga Odinga a state funeral, the government of the day refused to give Jaramogi a state funeral. All they did was to offer us one helicopter. And we all said, if that is all you are going to give Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, we say no, and we'll take Jaramogi to his final resting place in Bondo. So I do not want to take it for granted that you've given Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga a state funeral. I do not want to take that for granted.
Indeed, this is the first proper state funeral with military colors, with the participation of the military.
Your Excellency, our President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, allow me to thank you on behalf of the party for the honor and dignity that you have granted to our father, our patriot, as he lies here as an elaborate state burial, which you have overseen personally.
Umwega bwenyanki omwerio ninchiremo yokomweske yense nigo abrai ao nonyakuro chinse chase ko bonabono murayo mukoro bwense ya Nigeria Olusegun Obasanjo yokabero murai bwense ya Kenya muske Uhuru Kenyatta egati abrai ao banyako bawikarana segetie kyo na kwenda na engora yabo ya bene asichimbunde chamasasi 15 na ibere echanya kuba chikurutwa asensemeyo ereko moesko yomwerio muske Raila Amolo Odinga
Mizinga 17.
Asobina bwaye ensemo yogotimokera kwaye ekerebendere yo yatubire esanduki ya nyagusira Raila Odinga yanyakabage koringo na kwenda no chase ya mate yaye nekimanyirio kya maskani ya manene
aweze kukabidhi bendera kwa military police ili waweze kumkabidhi mama Aida Odinga kwa shukurani ama ikiwa ni ishara ya shukurani kwa kazi ambayo kiongozi huyu aliweza kutekeleza kwa taifa letu la Kenya.
Nabono ekerolire likolimira kuchachinge guchenyancha ya Lake Victoria ensi ya Kenya nige kumurusirie kondo muske Raila Amolo Odinga oyo orengereti Kenya yobumo obwanchani no morembe kweneki wabotambe Pethuel Machin Ensoko TV county ya Kisii.
Watigana na yo mwanchi mulielia na gusika bosio asa matanga yoko moinia muske Raila Odinga asinka yaye nigo abarai kurwa chinsemo kurwa serikali enene nabo igabageni kurwa chinse cheisko baikirana nabo igokurwa engora yabo wasinchira yabene bakoragwa amuno murai bwense Dr. William Ruto umurai mukoro Uhuru Kenyatta umurai mukoro bwense ya Nigeria Olusegun Obasanjo negati yabande nigo bamutogire nyagusira Raila Odinga asokwerwa akurwanira oburai obya nabo igokoboria gusaba abarai kubwatia chimbwa chiaye amayanda ni gabwata inse chingaki omuyega bokumoine nyagusira Raila Odinga okolekana ase University ya Jaramogi Morikito Clinton Ondigi na mange.
Amatanga yoko mwenia muske Raila Odinga nigo aineki wa Jumapili tariki 19 cy'umutenyo yoga oikomi mwako igabwechiri ubere 25 asenkayae umugondo bwo poda ensemo ya bunge ya Bondo county ya Siaya.
We as Kenyans may be governed in the way of peace.
Umegoyo horagone kanisa ya AIC ya mate yae kuragwana mu murumo abo Oburu Oginga murugyoye mama Aida Odinga mona bana bae Winnie Rosemary Junior negati abande nigo oikiranwa na baraikurwa sechinsemo ao haiga Kenya na isko ya Kenya.
River and democracy of our nation grow.
Umurai bwense William Ruto muno mokonyoye Kithuri Kindiki niko bara higati ya baraibande kurwa serikali nene kumurera Raila Odinga aseruto hamotogiri Raila sokwero kwae kurwandira hubura yobya na magendro tari asensi ya Kenya yoka kurende boiga sorongoro Afrika nensengima
of a great hero of our nation, a man who has been made through fabric of struggle, a man who many fondly referred as the people's president, the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga.
Ruto boigo nigo aigereire okubwaterana kwaye kwange no murayo yo asobora ibwe siasa na boigo oigerero kubwaterana kwaye asoba mu bwa serikali na oria eira yo gocha kugendera kubwaterana na baraiba atigaire eri kugenderia amaroro ayura ira ringete kwenekia ense nkobere no murembe na boigo kubwaterana kwa baraibonsi.
Mimi nataka niwahakikishie kwa mapenzi ya Mungu, ODM will either form the next government or be part of the next government. Ile kitu siwezi kukubali. Ile kitu kwa heshima ya huyu shujaa wetu, ile kitu siwezi kukubali, na nitafanya juu chini, Mungu anisaidie. Ni wale ambao wanataka kung'oa chama ya ODM na kwenda kuchezea karata ya upinzani kule nje. Hiyo haitawezekana. Government of Kenya, as we look after Raila's legacy, you too will stand guard with us to look after Raila's legacy. Together with all the other people who worked with Baba. To this community, I want to assure you that by God's grace, we're going to journey together in the footsteps and in the direction that our friend and brother Raila Odinga has pointed to us.
Oyo kabeire humuraibu ensi ya Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta na ere boigo negatia bari baikirana asasa bira bananchi na barai kubwatia chimbwa cy'umusikira Raila Odinga eri gwikirania amaroraye yoko egerera omorembe oburayubuya amagendera sechinse muchonsi.
We shall miss your insights, we shall miss your thoughtfulness, we shall miss your wisdom, and we shall miss your laughter. We'll live long, as I said, and we will remember, and I pray we remember those deeds and the actions that we shall live, emulating our friend and brother.
Omushimiwa Olusegun Obasanjo omurayo mukuru w'ensi ya Nigeria uyorengo musani memono Raila Odinga uyu marange barokandire ko bamwase emiga emenge yabwangoiga hekero yo kuriya oburaibo mu bwa Afrika aseraira ari kuriya go choro buno umunyakiro go mutinyo kabiro mwako yega kurenda kabugwa na Mohamed Yusuf kurwa senseria ya Djibouti nigo muske Obasanjo nere airaribaga yo kumurera senchira ya bene hasa togire sabari ya yoburayubuya na gusabira nkoro yae irarasagia.
For me, I've lost a brother, I've lost a friend, I've lost a confidant, I've lost a co-worker in the vineyard of Africa. Sleep in the bosom of your Creator. Adieu, Raila Odinga.
Jessica Magufuli umunyaruka boyo kabiro muraibu ensi ya Tanzania nyagusira John Pombe Magufuli, Elizabeth Macheka Changirai umurugi boyo kabiro muwaziri monnebu ensi ya Zimbabwe nyagusira Morgan Changirai negati ya bari baikirana ababwatani korwa sense ya Uganda bakoragwa noyo kabeire umuwaziri omonene Dr. Ruhakana Rugunda muwaziri hotendrete okubwatarana we serikali nebyombe ao hasense yo John Mulimba amono muwaziri boborendi Brigadier General McDains Kamugira nigo baikirania he ujumbe umuraibu ensi ya Uganda Yoweri Museveni muwaziri hotendrete hebi wanda imense ya DRC aime bosi Sangara nere na ikirania ujumbe abiko engoro ya bene kurwa sumuraibu ense yu Felix Tshisekedi. Clinton Ondigi, Ensoko TV.
Amayanda ni gabwa tainse chinga ky'umuyega woko moyene nyagusira Raila Odinga okolekana ase University ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga elioko mwa esiko ya yomo elio ya mate abairi abasani abarai na boiga abananchi nigo baikirana elioko murera Raila Odinga ya mate ya nyagusira umusikira Raila Odinga nigo litkolia lero ya mwa esiko yomo elio asumuru yoye mama Ida Odinga uyorokane namayikanite koba omoremu nonya nabo orenge namayanda amange nigamwa okoboko omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto ase okomwa eskenene omoske Raila Odinga kubabwatesia kwene kyabuna Raila ngoene gwale na maskani waigo nigo ida amoinyora Raila una omonto anjete gotegerera abantu baye naende omonto anjete omorembe asensemo ya mumuru mwabo Oburu Odinga nigalira yokubwatia chimbaratiro chaye Raila Odinga ase okurwa obokoreri obuya Morikito Diana Ndemo na mange
gatigati yegesunte kia mariga yamate Raila Odinga nigo yairaribaga kumunyura omwanchiobo oyomo asoyomo omunyura Raila Odinga nobogima bwaye asenka.
For Baba, you gave all of us your life. You stayed with us and you showed us how to live a good life. And for that, we are extremely thankful. Erokamano Baba.
Our father was someone who believed in us as individuals. As many who have spoken ahead and those who will speak after will let you know. And that is why today we have friends from all over. Our father listened keenly to what we had to say individually, after which he helped us sharpen our ideas. He also helps us to think broadly and find solutions and to work with others. As you can see through his life, that is what he did. He worked with others. And because of that, we will continue to work together and to work with others, because that was his legacy.
Your Excellency, our people appreciate you honoring our father. Thank you for standing with us. You should also know, in case you are wondering, I'm ready to come back home. If you are wondering. To all the leaders we visited around the world, I will return personally to thank you. Thank you, Kenya. God bless you all. God bless the Republic. God bless Baba's legacy. Long, the king is dead, but long live the crown. Thank you.
Emiaka ya bwango yenyoma ya Raila Odinga nigo yabekwa teneni no mumuro mwabo Dr. Oburu Odinga. Omwancho Raila Odinga oyobono oromotakanwa mama Ido Odinga nigarokyo bolemu na kwerera buna obogima bwaye bwokoba omurugi bwenka no mwanchi bo mwanasiasa bware.
Raila has been my husband for the last 52 years. Many of you who are here are younger than 52 years. You could easily have been our children. Like all the couples and families, we also had our ups and downs. But we've learned one thing, and that is we must talk straight to one another. We must forgive and move on. I know most of the time we used to say Raila is more of public life, political life, than he is for family life. But every time he came, he gave us what we deserved.
Ruto Odinga nigaira libaga no nyana bokurwa ebirengero byaye bya siasa ase kiama kia ODM.
When my brother was supposed to be taken back to detention in 1990, he was asked where he wanted to go. He said, I'm going to Norway to my sister. Raila became a refugee in Norway, staying with me, Ruth Odinga.
No Raila Odinga orule obogatagati bya matiaye. Kurende otigire ebikoro ya matiaye etatebiri etebe. Kinkolipoteria egetaseni ya Soko TV iritariane Diana.
Mwanchumulia kurwa soro botirwaye Diana Ndemo niko tokwenyora libagaria gosoa somutimo komokeigo toska nyegera ngwira ntorasege keke kerbo silinde tabeto gosanga amange aitwabeire togo kwaliganira.
Eye Nensoko TV, uboroso bumugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ugaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Ayatata supa, ayebaba supa, ayigase iton supa.
Ouru Superstores, yene duka mabongia, eduka wetani eduka, ekoni bintu rwanchaga gucakira, ebyobwaga kibuna, amabati yechigeji obutambe nechirangi ao. Ayukwerorera no gwechorera se showroom yetu. Chichuma, emesumari, chirangi, chitangi chamache no kwana togokora ngurukwe marire. Ebitunge tyoboleme buna chimbusuro noboyo ase chindagira ekeniki yagitagwisirwa nkondifura maguta y'icingene omochere esukari echumbi n'ebintu binde binge byeduka tako na guchamachama na gutabataba gokena nalia kulijeduka sura gure byonsi inse yekiramekemo asedigurire inse ikase duka ya Ouru Superstores asomo chobo songo ebara ya Hospital Road amagacho Ouru Complex ange na Credit Bank.
Oyonkeni Ouru omayene Ouru Superstores Limited Kisii. Karibu nyumbani awaminto.
Samange akisimi namba 0111161500. Kusetome email info@ourusuperstores.com. Boigongo toka turashinchira chekerero buna X, Facebook na Instagram. Ouru Superstores, karibu nyumbani.
Somo Kenya Ouru Superstores yonyore bintebe.
Tomu chako tengere merobere ito yogosemia na gukumanya yago korekana kira rituku. Nabariki baitu be andrete chinga kichons. Asengencho yao. Eariganie asobo tengari botari no mubwekano. Nugari tiko korubu agachoba nene gusoboke. Ovik Hardware ntubwate byonse biryoganetie asobwa gachibwao. Gochakire byoboroso wikebye kirama. Nkoni tole chichuma nemesumari. Amabati chisimiti kwane kyoganetie ntubwate. Nigotoko n'ibintu byobya bwekerengo cheguru aseriguriora ikerie. Nigotogotoke nsemo ya tente umuchunyamira. Samange tuakirisi nigwitire namba 07142134 24.
Asa Maria Tankoro Kwalis, Bosibori. Iga no viki hardware, ego tukariga tente. Uko bariga ni mwensi, asa Magoria Rinsi.
Eye Nensoko TV. Oboroso Bumugusi. Ano mwibuli Henry mwano obugimo bya bwankyo Eskurio Borosa Tabaka Academy nigo tukubwatira naye eligwikirania ndote asoko mwana oboroso butingu bw'ekisemi asekerengo gie fees oranyare wakana abarimu baito nigo bali n'obumanyi bw'emirimo nabo igongotiri barebyewa ao byaborokigwa munakigosori egatiye binde Nguru turabo sombi asaborokiwa ntubwate nyumba cy'oburaro asaba menye time endagere yaborokiwa baito nigere eyebirango biguru
tubwate birasi kuru playgroup up to grade 8 umwaka go cyangu kitore kutwara grade 9
nigo tugutuka ange ninyegetari ya Tabaka Mission twakeresimi 0722 408142 Gose 0708706239 Tabaka Academy School of Thinking Learners. Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Mwanche muligere yangu kwarigania ase ntunda ya kabere me ya maya Yensoko TV linde togendera gusanga asobwamo asoro botironde nigongo kumanya buna abarayi abo bali kwamereria eserikali kulinde bakenyorera amabaga yebirogo maiga yo kuigwana na serikali wetera umoroberio o broad based okwana nigo bamuinyora Raila asoko babwata okoboko na kubakinia asorogendo rwa siasa asensemende nigo balira yo kubwatia chimbaratero cyaye na kurwanirira abakenya Mulikito Linet Nyambane niga bagakwira chinga kicyaye cyabene nabo igo gotwariganiria orobotiro kubwatia
ase omoyega boko mwenya Raila Odinga abarai ao nigo baikirana eriko mwa esko yae yo mwerio abarai abo kurwa asense moye serikali nabo igo bari bekiama kya ODM ba koriga cia serikali bamanyekanite buna broad based nigo bakwanera okwiro kwa Raila gochia saba Kenya.
As a community, there is something we believe in, that a leader, before he dies, a leader knows his death, but he doesn't talk about his death. He will show his people, before he dies, what he wants to be done. He will show his people where to take everything that he has. Raila showed us, before he died, that he wanted us to be in government.
Mimi, siwezi kuwa mahali ambaye Raila kunipeleka. And I must say it today here, I was taken to government of William Ruto by Raila Amolo Odinga.
Early this year, Your Excellency, Baba Raila Amolo Odinga did pay me a visit in my office at the ministry. And he told me that work for your country selflessly.
Na Raila amenifunza mambo matatu. Ya kwanza amesema wewe ukitaka ufanye siasa nchi hii paka uwe na wananchi. Listen to what the people are saying.
Mimi leo ni ngumu sana roho yangu kutoa rambirambi kwa baba. Mimi baba alikuwa kwa mambo mingi kwangu. Mimi nilikutana na baba nikiwa na miaka 24, the year 2001. Miaka 23 na 4 ingine sijaona kiongozi ingine, sijaona chama ingine. Chama yangu ilikuwa baba na baba ndiye alikuwa baba yangu.
Omuwasiri bwa mang'ana y'echinse cha Isco Musalia Mudavadi nigo airari bagerio na kumwinyora Raila chinga kibare gokora chikambeni cy'omwaka bw'ekiri 2022.
He stood for a lot of things. His spirit is unbogable. Raila suffered. He had a checkered career. But one thing, Raila never allowed the history to hold him prisoner. And in better times, Mr. Deputy President, I worked with Raila, and I remember when he brought fire into my belly, and I would go there saying, NASA Hawa. We would say, NASA Uhuru, NASA Ruto. But today, while Raila lies there, I'm at NASA Sisi wote.
Omonogeri bwe bunge nenenere Moses Wetangula nigo amwinyora Raila asatebire buna nigarenge kurwanirira obosibore n'obwene bw'Abakenya asarenga omustari obosio bokoreta omorembe imeyense. Omorai w'ekiama kia Wiper Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka nere nigo amurera Raila asarire ira yogochia kugendereria chia agenda chia Raila gwikia Abakenya Kanani.
We called you Joshua. We never got to Canaan. There were indeed crocodiles across the river Jordan, as we used to say. Lakini, I've seen in the printed program, you even paraphrase the late Martin Luther King. You've been to the mountaintop. You've seen the promised land. And you know you may never get there with us, but we have to get there on your behalf. I give you my pledge, those values you stood for, the tears, the pain of a stolen election, as my brother Jim Orengo has said, elaborated. That pain will not be in vain. The nation is gathered together.
Goripoteria Ensoko TV, Erietaria ne Linet Nyamba.
Abarai kurase kiama kirigia ODM nigo barokanire kwegerera obugima bw'ekiama kyo asa matanga yako mwene ya Raila Amolo Odinga nanyanabo asense mende niga bande barokana kumochia oburai bw'ekiama iyo ase siasa cyaba chikobwatanse nabo igo chinsase koruterana anene ase kera omorai abagakwirali bagali abene ase okwerwanira na kwene kingango tikarale ase kiama gia ODM. Morikito Daniel Omwaga na mange.
Nase omoyega woko mwenye yokabeire mo Prime Minister abwense ya Kenya Raila Amolo Odinga.
ODM silale. ODM silale. Bado mapambano. Bado mapambano.
Siasa nigo chiari byembeo ime yansemo ya Bondo County ya Siaya ekero abarai ao obekana kumulera Raila Odinga besokia anene balia kurwese kiama keregia ODM na kwegeroko bo gwe kiama ekyo asamatuka motwe Ruth Adhiambo Odinga oyuna boigo ore mwesiko mwabo nyagosira Raila Odinga nigarekana boroko wa mochi byara balia bakula no borai gwe kiama ekyo gya ODM na kubatebinga nonye nigo balibokonera mbamanyeti somo chakano gwe kiama ekyo renge.
ODM must be united and it must be strong. And if it is not strong, if it is not strong, ODM! ODM! ODM must unite. We cannot have the ODM ingine huko, another ODM being led by some other people, another ODM being led by the few people who think they own the party. ODM belongs to all of us. Some of you who want to take it now don't even know voted ODM.
Mugavana abwe county ya Kisii Omoske Paul Simbarati nigo aenekeria erombe y'abantonga ekiama gya ODM niyo kigo kigotigara kirene chinguru chinene na nyanigo nigarekana ko bagikeria bororo bali barenge gokerwani ekiama ekyo gya ODM.
Najua kwamba baba amelala yuko pale. Baba amelala, baba aenda salama. Lakini jua kwamba papa wameamka sasa. Wamesema kwamba kulala kwako chama cha ODM kitalala. Nataka nihakikishie umati huu. Chama cha ODM sasa ndio tumeanza mapambano. Mapambano ndio tumeanza. Baba, utafurahia mahali utakuwa, safari ambayo tuko nayo. Wale ambao hapa, wale walikuwa napinga baba, wale walio dhurumu baba, wengine wako hapa ndani. Lakini nasema kwa sababu baba umelala, wasamehewe. Lakini hatuwezi sahau.
Omoriki omonene ebwe kiame kyo Edwin Sifuna na boigo oromo senator abwe county ya Nairobi nigo esokia na gukwana n'echinguru chinene asarekana gotebanga nigo bago chikokora kiregento elekoranga ekiama akeria gya ODM ingetigara kerekera no morembe amono bomo ase ensemo yaye umugavana abwe county ya Mombasa Omoske Abdulswamad Sharif Nasil nigo atebabuna ekiama gya ODM nigo kere ime ya serikali eli maikena broad based korengana bunanya gusia Raila Amolo Odinga batigete.
Mimi Sifuna sitakuwa baadhi ya wale ambao watachangia kuangusha chama cha Raila Amolo Odinga, because ODM is one of your biggest legacies, Your Excellency Baba. I as Sifuna will do everything in my power to keep this party united and together.
Mwaka 2027 we will not be in the opposition. Mambo mawili yatafanyika. Agosti tunapiga kura. September we are either in government or we are government. Joey!
Umugabana abwe county ya Homabay Gladys Wanga oyina boigo oromunyakere wabwe kiame kyo gya ODM nigarekana ko motogia mono omurubyo ya Raila Amolo Odinga Aida Odinga asokumurenda Raila Amolo Odinga semyake menge nonyenigo oyakerambu yabono ababwatani baye baliate abara banke kigima imeyensebe kiame kyo gya ODM asate abaninga nige kiame kyo kego chokendra na maroraye.
Your Excellency, our President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, allow me to thank you on behalf of the party for the honor and dignity that you have granted to our father, our patriot, as he lies here as an elaborate state burial, which you have overseen personally. And he said he made a clear decision to work with you for the stability and unity of the nation inside the broad-based government. That is the last standing instruction that Baba gave us. And as a people and as a party, that is where we will stand.
Omo Senator Aredama Olekina nigarekana ko saba morembe kobo ime eye kiame kyo omo bunge Osuba North Omoske Emily Mabona Odhiambo asensemo yaye nigate banga Raila Amolo Odinga nigaboretie gotigara mwana omo ime eye kiame kyo asarekana ko bagikeria bali abarenge kobe kachiro boti asembeo igoro gosira kwa Raila Amolo Odinga ne bakonyora trasiro gimabwaye.
I want to assure Kenyans that as long as God gives us time on this earth, we will follow Baba's footsteps. Baba said, we stay together, and that is the last message that he left for us. And I do hope that we can all come together to be able to ensure that we'll fulfill the dreams and aspirations of our hero.
I want to tell you, as Jokanyanam, that for those who killed Baba and buried Baba before his time, because we are Christians, we forgive you. But we will never forget.
Bono amaisonsi nigaligereti yora chikwegwa oborai bugotinera ekiame kyo megale usira kwaye Raila Amolo Odinga asebona iga omuro mwabo Oburu Odinga yoro mo senator abwe county ya Siaya achoretwe gumna omura intinera abwe kiame kyo ine Igo orache kwimukia bikoroto bya Raila Amolo Odinga na kwegwa chinguru cyo gutenera na korae kyamekyo. Ginkilipoteria egetaseni Again Soko TV rietaria nenche Daniel Omwaga.
Mwancho murgeria kurwa sorbotirwa ya Daniel Omwaga na tugwikira mwelio bokumurikira amangana maya enseyamo kondo mwancho murgeria chikoraga chinsa isatondo chikokumanya asorbotirwa bene astokumurikira gwechakigwa wikiama gya ODM no bokoreri bwaye enseye myaka 20 na tokwariganirwa nere Wycliffe Orenge igotoska tonyegera genda kubwatikita seni Again Soko ilindo chikoba wekwimanya amange maga kamera soko ne kemna chibicha ne iliogiria gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere Brian Chaka bakubwatia na Felistas Kabendi Dorin Kemunto na boigo director Zack na incheria na Kerubo Frida twara obuliriria borobia.